This is fit for a 2014 through 2021 and possibly beyond Audi A3 4-door sedan with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule EVO clamp WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in silver, 53 inches in length, the EVO clamp foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number 5121. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 28.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 130 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.